Did you know your Android phone has an earthquake detection system that uses your Android phone sensors to alert you when there is an earthquake? And in this video, I'll be showing you how to turn this on. By default, it's already enabled on most Android devices, but if it isn't enabled, what you want to do is open settings on your Android phone. Now here you can scroll till you find location. Simply tap on this and it will bring you here. Under location services here, tap on this and you'll be able to see earthquake alerts. Now when you tap on it, it will bring you here. You still have other options to find it. You can simply scroll down and here where it says safety and emergency, tap on this and you see earthquake alert. Here you'll be able to enable and disable it if you want to. So basically what this does is that you get an alert with the initial estimated magnitude and distance from your location and other information to help you stay safe during an earthquake. So that's how you can enable earthquake alerts on your Android phone. If you don't find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.